Hi, I'm Doug with Furniture Showrooms by JC Mattress, coming to you from Jefferson City, Missouri, the home of the two-sided mattress. Today I would like to take time to show to you guys an adjustable bed that we sell here at JC Mattress. This is called the Vesta. It's made by Glideaway. One of the things I like about the Vesta is it's a solid frame that goes from head to foot all the way across. Most adjustable beds nowadays are coming in two pieces, so there's actually a seam here in the middle that's a weak point. This is a one solid steel frame, probably one of the heaviest bases in the market. It's also a deck on deck construction, and I'll show you what that looks like here as we raise it. Notice this part is separated from that part, so it gives it a neater look in your bedroom. The difference between these two bases here, notice one sits a little higher than the other. Well, this one has a tilt kit added to it, which is an add-on feature. What I like about the tilt kit, and I'll sit up in here and show you. Say you have acid reflux, or you need to just be inclined, or you have to sleep on your side. Well, this will elevate me at an angle, and then I can still turn and sleep on my side. But even though it still works like a traditional adjustable bed, so if I want my head raised more, I can raise my head. If I want my feet raised, I can raise my feet more. In this position, it truly sets you up higher than any other adjustable bed in the marketplace. So I can actually act like I'm in a lounge chair in this bed. Now, this one over here, this model over here, it just basically does the tilt up. It doesn't go at an angle. You can raise your feet just like any other adjustable base, but still a very heavy duty base. Weight limit's 850 pounds, so it can hold a pretty good sized person. The remote, it has the head up features, the incline features. It's got a flashlight on the end of it. It has a flat button that you can just push flat, and everything will go flat on you. It has an anti-snore button. To me that's a gimmick, but they put it on the remote anyway. The reason I say that's a gimmick, if you can sleep in your recliner and snore, you're going to be able to adjust your head in this and snore. And then this model also has massage motors. If you have any questions on this space or would like to come in and try it, feel free to. If you have any comments, just feel free to contact us here at JC Mattress, and we'd love to see you. Thanks. Bye-bye.